Mastering the Art of English, Comparative and Superlative Forms Unleashed. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to explore an important part of English grammar: the comparative and superlative forms of adjectives and adverbs. This knowledge will help you to describe things and actions in a more detailed and accurate way. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's remind ourselves of what adjectives and adverbs are. Adjectives describe or modify nouns. For example, a big house. On the other hand, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For example, he runs quickly. Now, when we talk about comparative and superlative forms, we are referring to the variations of adjectives and adverbs used to compare two or more things or actions. The comparative form of an adjective or adverb is used to compare two things or actions. In general, for one-syllable words, we add "er" to the end. For example, small becomes smaller, and fast becomes faster. For two-syllable or more words, we use more or less before the adjective or adverb. For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful, carefully becomes more carefully. There are, however, some exceptions and irregular forms like good becoming better and bad becoming worse. The superlative form is used to compare more than two things or actions. For one-syllable words, we add "est" to the end. For example, small becomes smallest, and fast becomes fastest. For two-syllable or more words, we use most or least before the adjective or adverb. For example, beautiful becomes most beautiful, carefully becomes most carefully. Again, watch out for irregular forms like good becoming best and bad becoming worst. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. Write the comparative and superlative forms of these adjectives: hot, interesting, sad. 2. Write sentences using the comparative and superlative forms of quickly. 3. Spot the mistake in this sentence: she is most tall in her class. Try these exercises and check your answers in the comments section below. Great job, everyone! That's it for today's lesson on comparative and superlative forms of adjectives and adverbs. Keep practicing, and you'll see your English skills improve over time. As always, remember that language learning is a journey, so enjoy every step of it. Until next time.